Welcome everyone to the lecture on revenue and loss matrices for credit card. There are three major components: revenue, loss and cost for a credit card business. Revenue is the earnings, loss and cost are the spend. So net income, which is equals to revenue minus loss minus cost. So return on investment, ROI, which is a target for any of the banks or any of the companies, is in the numerator income, which is the net income divided by investment. So this is the target a bank gives to its business to achieve for the investment they are making. So let's understand what comes under revenue. Under revenue there are two kind of income. One is interest income, another one is non-interest income. Interest income is the interest earned on the credit card spending. Non-interest income consists of fees, which is joining fees, annual fees and late fees, then merchant discount, card protection fees and over limit fees. In the loss section we have credit loss. If the customer doesn't pay, then the bank incurred a credit loss. Fraud loss. Fraud loss can be two types. One is transaction fraud and another one is application fraud. Transaction fraud happens when a fraudulent transaction occurred on a credit card. Application fraud occurs at the time of application when something like identity theft happens. The operational loss is a loss incurred because of human error or any of the issues in the operations. Cost side, you have marketing cost. These are the campaign cost and all other marketing expenditures in order to brand and market the products. Underwriting cost, once customer applies for the loan, there are costs incurred in order to approve or decline the credit card. So that is the underwriting cost. Operational cost, once customer comes and got approved and got booked, then you need to manage the credit cards, the reward programs, the payments, all of the stuff, and for that you incur a operational cost in terms of expenditure towards the salary and employees, office spaces, hardware, softwares, all that thing. Cost of fund, just like any of us, bank also borrows money in order to lend to the customers, and bank also pays an interest rate, which is nothing but the cost of fund. The collection cost, if the customer doesn't pay, then bank has to develop a strategy, set up a team, do the follow-ups through emails, through phone calls and field visits, field agents. All that is a costly affair, and hence collection cost is one of the major cost for a bank. Dispute and legal cost, which is final. Because of various disputes or cases, the bank has to incur a loss or a cost to settle the dispute. The net income, how the ROI gets calculated, and as a portfolio manager, your objective is to have a higher ROI, return on investment. You can have a higher revenue and higher loss, still can have a higher ROI. But if you generate low revenue and high loss, that is where the problem starts. So these are the concepts. If you understand and develop your model and strategies accordingly in order to increase the return on investment, then you are doing the good job in terms of portfolio management. Thank you for watching this video. See you in your next lecture.